Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw your Linea ETH to your Bybit. Because before now, Memefi thought they want to launch on Linea network, but they later switched to SUI. And the purpose of depositing your Linea ETH to Memefi wallets is no longer realistic. Then it will be wise to withdraw your Linea ETH and possibly convert it to SUI for gas fee. Alright, so in this video I will show you step by step on how to go about it. Now let's dive into the process. From your Memefi wallet on the dashboard, you cannot do it from here because the network fee is too high. So the best way to do it is to head over to your OKS Web3 wallet, the one that was connected to your Memefi. And this is the Linea ETH we want to withdraw. Alright, then the next thing you do is to head over to your Bybit to copy your wallet address. Then you click on wallet, then click on deposit. The next thing you click is you tap on deposit crypto and you search for ETH, or you can choose it from here, this one. Alright, and this is what you want to copy. You want to make sure you copy Linea network, this one. Make sure you copy Linea network, this one. If you do not use the Linea network, your assets will be lost. So make sure you are copying this Linea network. Alright, this is the address you want to use. Then you tap on this to copy your wallet address. Linea network, very important. You click to copy and you head back to your OKS Web3. Then what you do is that you click on the asset itself, which is Linea ETH. Once you tap on it, you now click on send. Okay, you can long press or click on paste. Alright, to be sure the wallet address is the same thing. Then the next thing you do is you click on confirm. Then click mass. Alright, click mass because you want to withdraw everything. Then you click next. You click confirm again. Then you authorize it. Sending. Yeah, sent. Now let's head over to the Bybit app to see if the money has reflected. Yeah, this is it. This is the ETH you just deposited now. Okay. And then remember to fund your OKS Web3 wallet with at least $1 worth of SUI to cover for your gas fee, so you can be able to withdraw your Memefi token immediately they launch. And lastly, try and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I release other videos. Thank you and have a good day.